10 makes them easier to treat as, we can say, cross-cutting design concerns. So the short message is that the newer version keeps the foundation, but it improves the way how we applied it in comparison to how it was done before. Well, now we have reached close to the end of this presentation, but let's see how we move from TOGAF 9.2 way of thinking to TOGAF 10. First of all, we need to keep the ADM. ADM hasn't changed between the two versions. It's all the same. The interactions between all the parts of it, and the requirement management and architectural gaps, target, baseline states, all are still useful. The second step is that you have to map your pain points. As an architect, you may ask where your current architecture practice is too slow, or it's too document heavy, or a bit connected from the delivery. So here TOGAF 10 will guide you and help you in this. The third step is that you need to select the right guide. If your issue is business alignment, then you need to focus on the business architecture and the value streams. If your issue is delivery speed, or it's another issue related to is a risk, so then that can be addressed with the security architecture, or if it's related to delivery, then with Agile continuous architecture. So the issue has to be identified, and the right guide from the series will be used for you to guide you to help you tackle the problem. Then the step number 4 is simplification of the artifacts. Artifacts shouldn't be really complex, and we shouldn't measure the architecture by how much documentation it has, how many number of pages we have in the document. This is not the proper way. It should be measured by how useful it is, by the decision it supports, the symbol views, the decision records, and the target state diagrams and roadmaps. The last step, step number 5, is that we need to embed. This is what is brought in TOGAF, is that you have to integrate the delivery with the architecture, work with the product and the platform, cloud, security, data, and operation teams more closely, and architecture should guide the delivery. And not to be something just at the end of the process. So this is it can be considered as an upgrade to the operating model, because it changes how architecture works. Now let's close with this important takeaways. First of all, the old TOGAF 9.2 knowledge and all related information, it's still valid and can be applied. And the main understanding of the ADM, the governance, the domains, the baselines, gaps, stakeholder management, and all related chapters of it is still important. The second thing is that the upgrade to TOGAF 10, we have always to think of modularity, because in the version 10, we see better way to select the practical guidance for the problem we solve. And this is very useful in the modern transformation programs because usually all organizations they are executing digital transformation programs, and in the same time there are architects working in different domains, so those have to be aligned together. And third is the focus on value. So architecture must help the enterprise make better decisions. It must support business outcomes, guide the delivery team, reduce the risks, and manage the complexity. Uh, and the final message here is that architecture is not a document uh, for production, but it's a decision quality and transformation guidance. This is like the mindset and how it should be. We need to be structured, but not slow. We need to be practical, but not shallow, and we have to support the delivery while governing the enterprise. So TOGAF 10 moves in this direction. Well, thank you for watching. If you want to go deeper, you can use the official Open Group references. You can read the TOGAF standard 10th edition or 9.2 editions and the series guides and other documents that you will find in the TOGAF library. I would always say that reading is the first step that you do, but you really need to apply those ideas to your organization. You need to look at your current architecture process, ask if it is so heavy, whether the decisions being taken are unclear, uh, whether if the business architecture is missing or not, or if there is some security missing capabilities or parts. We need to ask always whether there is an integration with the agile teams or not, because the projects coming from digital transformation department, they usually are a strategic project, and they support the digital transformation, and they have to be also adhering to the architectural principles in the cycle. So you need to check the workflows within your organization to make sure that all are integrated together. TOGAF 10 is a practical methodology, and we need to think of it as a practical methodology always, not just as a theory. Thank you a lot, and I will see you in next videos.